Hey guys, you've joined us live on Moneycontrol. I'm Manisha Gupta, and we're talking about metals right now because what a fantastic run is what we've seen in metal prices in last 1 week and for the month of July as well. So the support comes in from the fact that the dollar index, even as it has gained above 100 and 101, we still are looking at gains continuing for many of these metal prices. And then China has pledged more economic support for property sector. It already has done liquidity injections for specific focus sectors like automobiles and for electronic consumption as well. And then there are shortages in production that we already have seen. There also is an interesting report from S&P which says that the production of automobiles will continue to surge through 2023, 24 and 2025 also, and that would mean more demand for metals going forward. So the best of the gains within metals have come in for iron ore. What a strong run is what we've seen in the month of July for this one. Copper, zinc, steel are some of the other metals which also have done quite well. So when you look at the copper prices, we are trading at a 2-week highs onto this one. Prices have gained 3.5% in the month of July. We still are more than 9% down from the kind of highs that we saw in January 2023, but the last 1 month clearly has been positive here. Iron ore as well has been running up as the steel industry has started to work in yet again, and the markets do believe that the iron ore inventory being on the weaker side and the demand which is suddenly expected to surge would be supportive for iron ore. So yet another leg up in case of iron ore is something that the street is working with. Steel as well is trading at a 1 month high. So when you look at the Indian markets, the margins here are quite positive. If you look at the Chinese steel mills, they work with a margin of $20 a ton. The Indian bigger established steel mills work with a margin of $80 to $100 a ton. So clearly positive for the steel as an industry as well. And when it comes to steel production within India, well, we were producing something like 125 million tons in the previous year, but the expectation for this year is 134 million tons. This is much higher than 100 million tons that India produced in 2020. So strong numbers coming in sense of production, margins, profits, and demand expectations going forward as well. So metals perhaps is a sector to keep an eye on.